welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos. And for the world's best subscribers in all of YouTube. Hi guys, how is everyone? Happy Wednesday. Yes ma'am, it's Wednesday, which means we're halfway through the week already. And oh my God, why does it feel like the weeks are just flying by? I guess the weather's better and oh my God, it's so nice here, but my sinuses are acting up. So that means allergy season. Okay guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, we're in my kitchen and I'm right here beside my coffee bar, and I styled my coffee bar using my lemon theme, and I'm gonna show it to you. But today also I wanna show you my absolute favorite coffee drink that I drink in the summer. And it's even keto friendly. You can even make this keto friendly if you want. So for my girls that do keto, you could totally do this. But before we get into that, let me show you how I styled my coffee bar, because I think it turned out so cute. And maybe you can get an inspiration and do your coffee bar. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what I did. Okay, so here's my little coffee bar. I'm just gonna give you an overview of what it looks like. There it is in its entirety. I didn't change all of it. I changed pretty much most of it. So my Keurig remained. So you guys seen the Keurig before. And then I know my backsplash is mirrored, so you'll see me in the background. Guys, I got this adorable little lantern from Bath and Body Works. It's so cute. And I just put a lemon scented plug-in. And then I kept my Ray Dunn canister, which I keep my K-cups in. But I did switch out my tray to this like white marble one. And then I changed out my sugar and creamer. So I did the fruit ones. I like those. I think they look really good and they tie in really good. And then I left my little sign. You know, I always keep this little sign in my coffee bar. And that little sign is actually from Hobby Lobby. And then I just added this little wire bird cage. And I just stuck 2 of the Michael's lemons in that are from that pick. And then on this side, let me move it so you can see what I did. I left a little cake stand, and then I moved this galvanized plant over a little bit. And then I added the pick behind there. And then I just leaned up against this Walmart little sign that says Hello Sunshine. So that's what I did there. I wish I found some yellow ribbon, or I had left over some yellow ribbon, because I would have liked to put a bow up on there just for some color, but I couldn't find it. So that's basically what I did. If you haven't seen the old coffee bar, I'll link it down below. And then the Coffee Anyone sign, I'm pretty sure you guys know where that's from now, right? That's from Hobby Lobby. Okay guys, so now that you see my coffee bar, I want to share with you my absolute favorite summer spring, actually warm weather. Let's just put it there like that. My favorite warm weather coffee drink. I love this. This is my favorite thing to drink. And they drink this in Greece. Okay guys, sorry about the interruption. Mia started barking. So as I was saying, this drink originates from Greece. It's called a frappe. Some of you know, some of you don't. My parents are Greek immigrants that immigrated from Greece to North America. My dad to the US. And mom came to New York first, and then they came to Canada. So yeah, so both came to the US first. Anyway, so let me show you what you need to make this. And guys, this is so simple, but it tastes so good. I don't know why. I guess it's just the way that you blend it all together, but I'll show you what you need. You need one of these hand mixers. I have an electric plug-in one. Mine's an oyster one. I used to have a Braun one, but that one broke. And then you need Nescafe. In the metal can is the better ones. I don't know why. Those are the ones. Now, this says Nescafe Rich, and it's double filter, full flavor. So that's what you gotta look for, this. And it's instant coffee, really. That's all it really is. Look, I'll show you here. That's what it is. It's just instant coffee. Okay, so you need that, Nescafe, and then you can do it with sugar, or you can do it the way I do it with Splenda or stevia, but you have to do it like you need to put a sweetener in it so it foams up. So I'll show you. So I'm gonna drink my Nescafe in a cup like this. So usually this is how I measure it out. I put like a finger or two of water, but for the video's sake, I'm gonna try and measure it out and see what it measures out to. And it's about 4 ounces of water. That's what it says there. So about 4 ounces of water. And let me tilt the camera down so maybe you can see a little bit better. See that, right? Okay, so I use a teaspoon, and I do like a heaping teaspoon. You see that there? Do you see that? There, it's a heaping teaspoon. And I usually do like a really big one, and then just like another one like that. Not as big, but big enough. And I like my coffee a little bit sweet. So then I put in 2 Splenda packets. I know some people are gonna say, Bella, you shouldn't be using Splenda. I should be using stevia. But guys, I really like Splenda and I'm so used to it. Okay, I'm just gonna plug this in and then I'll start foaming it up a bit and you can see what it looks like midway. This is midway. It's starting to change color and foam up. This is what you kind of want, like this color here. And like you need to get it dense foam. So I'll show you. Let me blend it up. I don't want to do it on camera because it's going to make too much noise. There you see it. So now I foamed it up. And from our 4 ounces that we had there, it's already foamed up to about 15 ounces. And it's really thick. I'll just show you. See how thick it gets and really creamy? So that's what you're looking for if you're gonna make this. And I highly recommend this because it's so easy to make. Okay, so now you pour it into your glass and you see how much you have, like you have a lot. I'm gonna add the ice and cream. You can add, you need ice, so I'm gonna add the ice and then I just top it off with cream or milk. But, move you up so you can see me. So for me who's doing keto, I started again. Let me just say that. I started yesterday actually because you'll be watching this video on Wednesday. So I started on Tuesday again because I've been doing so terrible, girls. Honestly, I've been just doing terrible. So I started again yesterday. Oh, my camera's crooked. So I'm gonna fill it with ice and get some ice and some cream. Okay, see it there? I just filled it with ice and then I just topped it with a little bit of cream. You can see there, and then I just got a straw and took a sip already. So from my kitchen to yours, that's it. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration to do something really, really cute in your coffee bar and make a really nice iced coffee. Oh, you know what would be nice if you put whipped cream on this? I've seen it done with whipped cream. I've also seen it done with ice cream. So if you want something real, real cold and real nice and refreshing, you could do ice cream also. Sorry. So that is the end of my video. Please make sure you give this video a big, big, big thumbs up. Like, comment, and share. You know I love your comments. And guys, I'm so sorry that it took me so long to reply to Friday's videos comments. But between the big party we had here to celebrate Greek Easter and you know, all my friends and family coming over, my goodness, I just didn't have time. But I did reply to them all now. And yeah, that's it. So I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Happy Wednesday. Have an amazing, amazing evening. And I'll see you on Friday. Bye, guys.